Hello, my name is Myrto, and here are my assistants Stacy and Lisa, and we all work in tumor biology, and we are going to tell you a little story today. So 500 years ago, people thought that the Earth was flat, a bit like this frisbee. But we all know that this is not true, so this idea is out of the window. In fact, the Earth is like a ball, a bit like this. Right. So, the same way scientists thought since a few years ago that a cell, so this is a cell, which is the building block of our body, has special proteins, which is like the fuel of the cell, and they act a bit like receivers. So, in order for them to function, they work in pairs, a bit like this peg here. And these receivers, it's thought to be staying only on the surface of the cell. And from there, they will act a little bit like a postman. So what they will do is they will receive messages from other cells, and then they will send signal to the cell, and the cell will start to grow and grow, like this balloon here, and it will form tissues and organs. But what we know is that this process is controlled, so it knows when to stop, like this balloon. What we found, though, in our lab is that this, which I just told you, is not entirely true, the same as the story I told you about the Earth. In fact, what we found is that these receivers here have a secret life. When things go wrong in our body, they travel from the surface of the cell and they secretly go into the brain of the cell, what we call in biology nucleus. And the brain controls the functions of the cell. So now that we have revealed the secret life of our Mr. Receiver here, what we are aiming to do in our lab is to stop them from going into the brain. Because once they are in the brain, they take over control. And they keep growing the cells and growing like this red balloon and growing. But this time, the problem is that they don't know when to stop. So they keep growing and growing until they spread into your body. And this is what will kill cancer patients.